Hi, I'm Vivienne Ruiz. I'm a sophomore here at OSU studying zoology. I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois, and my favorite cats are the tabby. Zoology is the best major for me because it's really about studying the whole organism, its structural makeup, its physiology, and also its environmental impacts. Zoology was a lot more directed towards what I wanted to do than a bio major would be, with an option in something similar to that. My most memorable science experience at OSU so far would be probably my fall term freshman year. I had Dr. Nafshin for general chemistry, and we were talking about combustion, and he went ahead and demonstrated a combustion reaction for us. And I think seeing that in class really kind of gave me a perspective and insight into the types of hands-on activities that would be going on at OSU. I see things a lot more inclusively and really how interacting all sciences are instead of like individual pieces. I have been working with the Human-Animals Interaction Lab as a research assistant, studying or helping them study and collect data on animal or specifically cat attachments to their owners, and just seeing how different environments may affect those changes and maybe even the stress levels of that. Studying for science major can be really difficult. It involves a lot of independent work, but I think understanding what your professors want out of you is the first step in becoming successful, and then kind of developing your own study habits early and fast and then sticking to that. I really would like to work with wolves or big cats if I get the chance to, but even if I don't, in general, I want to help the population get an understanding for the types of interactions that these animals play in our lives and vice versa, us in their lives, and for people to really just get a respect for these animals, because I think they deserve it a lot more than what they've been getting.